Hello, hello. In this video, we are going to learn about health phrases.
ብዛዕባ ኣብ ሆስፒታል ከገልግሉና ዝኽእሉ ሓረጋት ክንመሃር ኢና መሰናይ ምክትታል ንመርመራ ዝኸውን ቁሩብ ደም ወይ ሽንቲ ክንወስደልካ ኢና
We'll need to take a sample for testing.
ንመርመራ ዝኸውን ቁሩብ ደም ወይ ሽንቲ ክንወስደልካ ኢና
We'll need to take a sample for testing.
ናይ ዝሓለፈ እዋን ብዛዕባ ዝኾነ መጥባሕቲ ዝገበርካዮ ክትነግረኒ ትኽእል ዶ እዚኣ ትኽእል ዶ ክውስኸላ ብትግርኛ ይቕሬታ ትኽእል ዶ ሎ ዲብዚ ታይዳ ክስተገይራ ኣይትረአን ጸኒሓ ኦኬ ናይ ዝሓለፈ እዋን ብዛዕባ ዝኾነ መጥባሕቲ ዝገበርካዮ ክትነግረኒ ትኽእል ዶ እዚኣ ክድምስሰይ ክትነግረኒ ትኽእል ዶ
Can you tell me about any past surgeries?
ናይ ዝሓለፈ እዋን ብዛዕባ ዝኾነ መጥባሕቲ ዝገበርካዮ ክትነግረኒ ትኽእል ዶ
Can you tell me about any past surgeries?
የፍዝዘካ ወይ የድክመካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Are you having trouble staying awake?
የፍዝዘካ ወይ የድክመካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Are you having trouble staying awake?
ውግእ ወይ ድማ ሕርድ ዘብለካ ቃንዛ ኣለካ ድዩ
Do you feel any sharp or stabbing pain?
ውግእ ወይ ድማ ሕርድ ዘብለካ ቃንዛ ኣለካ ድዩ
Do you feel any sharp or stabbing pain?
ultrasound ክንገብረልካ ንደሊ ኣሎና
We'll need to perform an ultrasound.
ultrasound ክንገብረልካ ንደሊ ኣሎና
We'll need to perform an ultrasound.
ዝኾነ ፍልይ ዝበለ ድኽመታት ይስማዓካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Are you experiencing any unusual weakness?
ዝኾነ ፍልይ ዝበለ ድኽመታት ይስማዓካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Are you experiencing any unusual weakness?
ደረጃታት ኦክሲጅንካ ከመይ ከም ዘሎ ክንከታተሎ ኢና ደረጃታት ኦክሲጅንካ ከመይ ከም ዘሎ ክንከታተሎ ኢና
We are going to monitor your oxygen levels closely.
ደረጃታት ኦክሲጅንካ ከመይ ከም ዘሎ ክንከታተሎ ኢና ወይ ከመይ ከም ዘለዉ ክንከታተሎ ኢና ከመይ ከም ዘለዉ ክገብራ እዚኣ ከመይ ከም ዘለዉ ክንከታተሎም ኢና ኦኬ እዚኣ ክደግማ መታን ክትበርሃልኩም ደረጃታት ኦክሲጅንካ ከመይ ከም ዘለዉ ክንከታተሎም ኢና
We're going to monitor your oxygen levels closely.
ኣብታ ተቐንዝወካ ዘላ ቦታ ከተርእየኒ ትኽእል ዶ
Can you show me where it hurts?
ኣብታ ተቐንዝወካ ዘላ ቦታ ከተርእየኒ ትኽእል ዶ
Can you show me where it hurts?
ልብኻ ኣጥፊእኻ ትፈልጥ ዲኻ ወይ ልብኻ ጠፊእካ ፈልጥ ድዩ
Have you experienced any loss of consciousness?
ልብኻ ኣጥፊእኻ ትፈልጥ ዲኻ
Have you experienced any loss of consciousness?
ንሕና ቃንዛ ዝገትእ ፈውሲ ክንህበካ ኢና
We're going to give you a pain reliever.
ንሕና ቃንዛ ዝገትእ ፈውሲ ክንህበካ ኢና
We're going to give you a pain reliever.
ዝኾነ ክፍሊ ኣካላትካ ምንቅስቓስ ይኣብየካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Are you having trouble moving any part of your body?
ዝኾነ ክፍሊ ኣካላትካ ምንቅስቓስ ይኣብየካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Are you having trouble moving any part of your body?
ኩነታት ልቢ ብእትቋጻጸር ማሽን ጌርና ኩነታትካ ክንከታተሉ ንደሊ አሎና
We'll need to put you on a heart monitor.
ኩነታት ልቢ ብእትቋጻጸር ማሽን ጌርና ኩነታትካ ክንከታተሉ ንደሊ አሎና
We'll need to put you on a heart monitor.
ዝኾኑ ጎዳእቲ ኬሚካላት ወይ ነገራት በኪሎምኻ ነይሮም ድዮም
Have you been exposed to any toxic substances?
ዝኾኑ ጎዳእቲ ኬሚካላት ወይ ነገራት በኪሎምኻ ነይሮም ድዮም
Have you been exposed to any toxic substances?
መጀመርታ ኩነታትካ ከይብእስ ክንከላኸሎ ኢና
We're going to stabilize the injury first.
መጀመርታ ኩነታትካ ከይብእስ ክንከላኸሎ ኢና
We're going to stabilize the injury first.
ዝኾነ ጸቕጥ ልቢ ወይ ሕጽረት ትንፋስ ኣለካ ድዩ
Do you have any chest tightness or shortness of breath?
እዚ ኣገባብ ፍወሳ ከነካይድ ከለና ኣካላትካ ኣይተንቀሳቐስ ኢኻ ብቻኻ
Please remain still while we do this procedure.
እዚ ኣገባብ ፍወሳ ከነካይድ ከለና ኣካላትካ ኣይተንቀሳቐስ ኢኻ ብቻኻ
Please remain still while we do this procedure.
ረኽሲ ንምክልኻል ዝኣክል አንቲባዮቲክ ክንህበካ ኢና
We'll be giving you an antibiotic to prevent infection.
ረኽሲ ንምክልኻል ዝኣክል አንቲባዮቲክ ክንህበካ ኢና
We'll be giving you an antibiotic to prevent infection.
ኣብ ቀረባ ግዜ መውደቕቲ ወይ ሓደጋ ኣጋጢሙካ ነይሩ ድዩ
Have you had any recent falls or accidents?
ኣብ ቀረባ ግዜ መውደቕቲ ወይ ሓደጋ ኣጋጢሙካ ነይሩ ድዩ
Have you had any recent falls or accidents?
ኣብ ዝኾነ ኣካላትካ ድንዘዛ ወይ ድማ ሕምቲኽቲኽታ ይስማዓካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Do you feel numbness or tingling anywhere?
ኣብ ዝኾነ ኣካላትካ ድንዘዛ ወይ ድማ ሕምቲኽቲኽታ ይስማዓካ ኣሎ ድዩ
Do you feel numbness or tingling anywhere?
ዝኾነ ቱቦ ኣየር ዘመሓላልፍ ማለት እዩ ዝኾነ ቱቦ ኣየር ዘመሓላልፍ ጽሩይ ክህሉ ከነረጋግጽ ንደሊ ኣሎና
We need to ensure your airway is clear.
ዝኾነ ቱቦ ኣየር ዘመሓላልፍ ጽሩይ ክህሉ ከነረጋግጽ ንደሊ ኣሎና
We need to ensure your airway is clear.
ቪዲዮና ኣብዚ ወዲእና ኣለና ብዝተረፈ ሰሰናይቶ ጥዕሙ ንዓኻትኩም see you on my next video. Bye for now.